Beautifuls, I changed the look a little bit, so you can actually see the slime. So I wanted to say that I don't fully hate it. Wait. Before you throw the tomatoes, let me explain. I don't mind its existence, I just hate how people rely on it so much. Like, we do have lives, you know? We should actually live them. A little bit more often, but if you don't, or can't, I don't mind at all. Just please don't forget the reality you live in. It didn't even ask to exist. But that's it for today. Lily,
And remember,
Owl.
trust us with your weather.